What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got an exciting one. We're gonna be talking about what tires I'm gonna go with after my lift kit has been installed. Obviously, we're running stock tires right now. Once we lift, well, we're gonna need some bigger boy tires. So that's what we're gonna be talking about today. I've already owned the Falken Wildpeaks once. Will I be buying them again? That's what we're here to find out. So without further ado, please leave an early like, a comment, and a subscription. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. My 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 is stock. It's very stock right now, and it performs very, very well. It does everything I need it to, and I absolutely love the truck. But we're obviously gonna go higher, and when we go higher, well, down here needs to get wider. Now these are 245/75 R16s. I believe 245, yeah. Okay, yes, we were right. I've already owned a set of 285/70 R17 Falken Wildpeak AT3Ws. Those tires were absolutely phenomenal. I love the tires, but I don't know if I should get the same tires again. So we're gonna talk about quite a few things in this video, and hopefully at the end, either I know whether I'm getting them or not, or maybe once we're in the comment sections, we'll figure out if I should get them or not. So let's talk about why I would buy them again. So first and foremost, I loved the ride. The ride was absolutely awesome. So I did get an E-rated tire, so obviously that's a bit much, but even though it was an E-rated tire, it was a big heavy tire, it still rode very, very well, and that's something I appreciated from my first all-terrain tire experience. Second, it was very quiet. Now when you go on YouTube and you look up what is the best tire, for some reason mud tires come up. Now I have to admit, they do look the best. They look the very best, but they're not quiet. I remember when I was looking into mods, there's a lot of trucks around here that'll drive by, whoa, 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 whoa. No, I do not like that. I do not want that. And even with the Falken Wildpeaks, you could hear it a little bit, but it was very quiet compared to, well, mud tires. So that's what I like about them as well, very quiet. I'll try to find some footage now. I used them a couple times, like 3 or 4 trips off-road, and they gripped everything. When I took my stock 2020 Sport off-roading, you could definitely tell that it was a combination of tires, a combination of driver, well, you know, like 100% driver, and I'm not gonna, you know, whatever. You could tell that the tires were doing work, the 4x4 system was doing work, the driver was doing work, you had to pick the right lane. But when I had the Falkens on, you could feel the tires. Like, it literally, at some times, I felt like there was arms on the tires that was just like grabbing and pulling me out of spots. Grabbing and pulling me over rocks, grabbing rocks and just moving them. It was awesome. So I really loved the ride. I love how quiet they are, and I love the performance. I didn't get to see how long they will last, but I did hear they last for quite a bit of time, so that's always a positive. Now we got to talk about why I wouldn't get them again. Now, so there's 2 reasons why I wouldn't get these tires again. One of them really isn't even a valid reason. The second one is, well, I didn't like how they looked. I had imagined that I wanted a very rugged, very all-terrain looking tire. It did have an aggressive pattern. The sidewall wasn't as aggressive as I wanted it to be. I went off-roading with a couple other Tacoma owners, seeing their wheels and tire setup. I was like, I could have done better. I definitely could have done better. So that's what I'm thinking about now. But another reason, I can show you guys another tire, show you guys how it lasts, show you guys how it does, show you guys what it can do. I've already been looking into like lifting it, modifying it, but everything is on like a serious back order. So if I order it now, I probably won't even get into like February. Yeah, I've been on like 3 different websites. I've talked to other YouTubers about where to get the lift kits, and yeah, it's not the best scene right now, but nonetheless, we are still gonna try our very best to get some wheels and tires lift kits. So there's 2 tires that I'm very, 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 very much considering, which is the KO2, BF Goodrich KO2. That's been my dream tire, my dream tire. The Nitto Ridge Grappler, I don't know. So I'm on the fence. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys have either or, and what's your opinion? I'm very interested, and I think, well, if you give your opinion in the comment section, well, then it kind of doesn't need me to buy the tire if it's bad. But if it's good, I'll consider it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm very interested in seeing what you guys have. Also, your opinions on either or tire. Or should I just get the Falken Wildpeaks again, because they were so good. They were so good. But nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. So good tomorrow. Peace.